Today I will tell you about lines and angles. First of all, I would like to tell you, please subscribe and like my channel and click the bell icon for getting notifications from my next videos. In lines and angles, I will tell you about the basic terms and definitions today. Now, first of all, lines and angles, from this only comes angle. What is an angle? When two rays originate from the same end point, then an angle is formed. Means, suppose this is a point A, and from here two rays are there. This is one ray, A, B, C. This, now one angle is formed here. This is called the angle. Means, what is an angle? When two rays originate from a single point, then an angle is formed, which is called angle. Now, what is vertex of the angle? The rays making an angle. The rays making an angle means these and this. These are the rays which are making this angle. Therefore, these rays are called the arms of the angle. Arms of the angle. This and this both. And vertex means, and the end point means this and this, means this is the vertex. This is the end point of the angle. Yes or no? So this is known as the vertex of the angle. In the given figure which I am showing you, two rays AB and AC originate from the same endpoint A, forming an angle denoted by angle BAC and angle CAB. Clearly, ray AB and AC are the arms of this angle, and A is the vertex because endpoint is this. If we and we measure an angle in degrees, we measure an angle in degrees denoted by, like this, sorry, it should be like this. If angle A is equals to 60 degree, we write it as m of comma of m of angle A is equals to 60 degree. That is, measure of angle A is equals to 60 degree. Now there are various types of angles. There are acute angles, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angles, reflex angles, and the last but not the least is complete angles. First of all comes acute angles. What are acute angles? An angle whose measure is more than 0 but less than 90 degree. Angle whose measure is more than 0 but less than 90 degree is known as an acute angle. Next come right angle. An angle which measures exactly 90 degree is called as right angle. An angle measuring 90 degree is called right right angle. The third one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than 90 but less than 180 degree. More than 90, less than 180. Number 4, straight angle. Straight angle, an angle which measures exactly 180 degree. Angle measuring 180 degree. Angle measuring 180 degree is called as straight angles. Next, the fifth, reflex angle. Reflex angle, an angle whose measure is more than 180 but less than 360. An angle whose measure is more than 180 but less than 360. Next, complete angle, that is 360 degree. An angle whose measure is 360 degree. Angle measuring 360 degree. Now let me tell you about acute angle. Again, acute angle. This is ray, this is A, B and C. What has been told that acute angle whose measure is more than 0 but less than 90 degree, they are known as acute angles. Means more than 0 means 0 degree, x, this is x, more than 0 and 90 means this is x. Okay, okay, this is x and it is told that acute angles measure more than 0 degree. More than 0 degree means 0 is greater than x, the x is greater than 0 and 90 is greater than x because it is less than 90 degree. Right angle comes like this. This is a right angle. ABC. Suppose this is y. Then y degree is equals to 90 degree. There is no tension about right angles, if straight angles and complete angles. All about is now next is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle definition, what does it do? More than 90 but less than 180 degree. So it should not be a straight line. Okay. Then suppose it is Z. Okay. Then what is? It is 90, more than 90 means Z is more than 90 but it is less than 180. Then it is 180 will be greater than that. Next comes is straight angle. I have told you straight angle simply 180 degree. This should be simply 180 degree means if it is angle is s degree, then s degree is equals to 180 degree, then x degree is equals to 180 degree. Comes reflex angle. Next comes reflex angle. Suppose this is one angle, this is one angle and sorry, wait a second, I'm telling you this is their reflex. Reflex comes here. If this is t degree, reflex angle measures more than 180 but they measure less than 360 degree. Then 180 more than 180, then z will be more than t The 180 will be, well, T will be more than 180 but less than 360 when 360 would be greater. And the last one is complete angle, means what is the complete angle? This A B, this will be the complete angle u degree, that is u degree is equals to 360 degree. Then comes all about angles I have told you. Then comes equal angles. Equal angles. Two angles are said to be equal. Two angles are said to be equal if they are of same measure. Means this is and this is 60. This is 60. This is Q. This is R. This is P. Then these two are equal angles because they measure, both of them measure 60 60. Angle bisector. Angle bisector. Angle bisector. A ray, suppose a ray AD. This is a ray AD. And this is the full angle, means B C. Now here a ray AD is said to be the bisector. Bisector of angle BAC if angle BAD is equals to angle CAD. Next comes interior of an angle. The interior of an angle is a set of points in its plane which lie on the same side of it and also on the same side of it. Means suppose this is an angle. Suppose this is B, this is A, and this is C. This is interior of angle BAC. Interior of angle BAC means the interior of angle BAC is a set of points in its plane which lie on the same side of AB as C and also on the same side of AC as B. Now exterior of an angle. Exterior of an angle, suppose this is an angle. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C. Now the exterior of its angle can be this, this, anything. This can be the exterior of this angle, these points. This is D, this is E, this is F, this is G, H, I, J, K. This all can be the exterior of this angle. Means in the given figure, the exterior of angle BAC is a set of all points in its plane which does not lie on the angle or in its interior. The angles which does not lie on the angle or it's in its interior. In the given figure, the points DFG lies in the interior of, means this DEFG lies in the exterior of this VLC, and the this point, suppose O P Q, and the points OPQ lie in the interior of angle BAC. Okay. Next, complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their angles is 90 degree. Okay. Suppose complementary means two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree, and supplementary, two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum is 180 degree. Angle measuring 45, angle measuring 35 and 50 plus 55 are complementary angles, and two angles are said to be means 108 plus 108 plus 72. These are all, both are complementary angles. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe my channel. Any problem, please ask me in my description.